In this video, I'll show you how to link Calendly and Zoom effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open Calendly and navigate to the Integrations or Synapse section. Scroll through the available options until you find Zoom and click on it. Next, select Connect Zoom to begin the integration process. Wait for a moment while Calendly connects with your Zoom account. Once the connection is successful, your Zoom is now fully integrated with Calendly, ready to enhance your scheduling and meeting experience. And that's it. Linking Calendly and Zoom is quick and simple. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.